Okay, we are at Yardley Road. A bit of a complicated situation here. But let's get straight to it. So Carl has done rip out. He does need to come back and remove this wall because the plaster is coming off, and also I think that wall as well. This flooring is staying, but pretty much everything else has been removed. You scraped all that off. So Martin's going to do one new kitchen, 2 new bathrooms, sort out some flooring upstairs and insulation. I'll get Alex to come and get a quote to plaster where basically just needs to plaster all this, skim where necessary, and redecorate throughout. We're just going to stay with white to keep things simple. So all this is going to need to be removed because Martin's going to put a cement pad here. This is we believe to be the cause of the damp, as you can see along here. It's coming through, and it's only this room that has it, so therefore that's what we believe is actually to do with the floor itself. As you can see, so this all needs to come up as well. Okay, that needs to be fixed. But back to this door is warping in the winter, which makes it difficult to open. So we'd have to either look at somehow addressing that or potentially replacing it. But it's a really nice door, full of character. So hopefully we can do something with it and keep it. Kitchen has been removed. The same situation with this door as well. It's warping and you can't open it when the weather changes. Okay, so new kitchen here, new bathroom down there. Okay, so there is a damp issue here, and I think we've got a damp issue in here as well, and that's largely to do with the lack of insulation. This needs to be boarded and insulated properly as well, but this will be downstairs bathroom. Usual, so bathtub there, tiles across there, sink over here I think, or maybe sink over there, and then repainted, redecorated throughout. See, that's damp along there. That's just, it's an old property, so the insulation will be great. Okay, throughout. Okay, large bedroom. Again, Carl stripped everything out. So this just needs to be skimmed up there, redecorated throughout. I probably need to ask Carl to come back and take off the wallpaper fully because Alex isn't going to be redecorate on that. Okay, second bathroom. There'll be a shower there, toilet and sink here as well, but that should be straightforward. This is actually also for our prospective tenants as well, who is quite keen on booking this property, and so I'll do a video for them, so I keep them updated on the bedrooms. That needs to be sorted. So this is the garden. Neighbours look great. Nice garden at the back. Okay. And we've just got Martin upstairs with another contractor discussing insulation. So the floor will need to be sorted. Okay, so up here, need to do internal loft insulation. I have to look in there to see if we can put insulation into the wall. If not, it has to come out 4 inches along here, and same over here as well. But otherwise, everything's been ripped out. So essentially, we're going to try to put insulation into the wall because basically we're going to do internal insulation. It's going to eat up too much of the wall, and in a loft room it's already quite, well, it's actually a decent size, but it would be too small once we've done the insulation because it's like 4 inches all the way around. So right now we're seeing, or Martin will see, if he can cut into some of the wall, some of the roof, to see if there's actually space for him to be able to put the insulation into the existing space, I guess, between the rafters and the roof itself. If not, then we'd have to come out. But fingers crossed, we won't lose as much space. But yeah, otherwise this should be relatively, well, it's not relatively straightforward. But I mean, everything's stripped back to brick now, so yeah, it should be a lot easier now. All right, see you.